जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 37th श्लोका. फर्स्ट चैप्टर अर्जुन विषाद योगम. Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, "Oh Krishna, if we are going to kill all our relatives in this battlefield, I feel that we are just inviting so much of grief into our lives. We will not be happy anymore. That is why we should not be killing all our relatives, Krishna. And also, after we kill all of these people, we will definitely get so many pleasures and comforts, and then whom with we will share all those pleasures, whom with we will enjoy, if there is no any more relatives to us. That is why we should not be killing all our relatives, Krishna." Like this, Arjuna is saying, expressing. And now let us, while running this meaning in our thoughts, let us chant the sloka, visualizing that we are sitting right in front of Krishna and Krishna Paramatma is giving his Gita-upadesam to us directly. Tasmannarha vayam hantum dhartarashtran swabandhavan swajanam hi katham hatva sukhinasyama Madhava. Om. The moral from this sloka that which we have to practice: do not even think of sharing your pleasures and sorrows with those who have done so many sins. So do not be related, do not be connected to sinners anymore. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter through 65th and 69th slokas is strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna says, "Think about me always. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on transforming all your actions as service to me. Keep saying that Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Always think that you are my property. Surrender to me unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on reading at least one sloka from Bhagavad Gita every day. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the people. If you do like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sorrows, pains and troubles." Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not even think about sharing my pleasures and sorrows with the sinners. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on transforming all my actions as your service and keep on saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep reading at least one sloka from Bhagavad Gita every day. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the people. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुक महर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यास महर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi is telling all other rishis, O Maharshis, Saunaka and other rishis. So Dharmaraju was not feeling happy anymore. He started feeling that whatever is happened, all that is a big sin, and he committed that sin, killing all the enemies. So with that kind of grief, Dharmaraju wanted to go to Bhishma Pitamaha. Vinasanam Pragat. Now he started heading towards the place where the battle took place. That is where Yatra Devavrataha, where exactly Bhishma Pitamaha Apatat is sleeping on Ampasaya. That is where now Dharmaraju heading towards. When Dharmaraju started going towards Bhishma Pitamaha, all his brothers also followed Dharmaraju. Vyasa Dhaumyadayaha Tadha. Vyasa Maharshi is also following. Dhaumya, he is the Purohita of Pandavas. He also started going towards Bhishma Pitamaha. Then Bhagavanapi Radhena Sadhananjayaha. Sri Krishna Paramatma also, along with Arjuna in the chariot, they are going to Bhishma Pitamaha. All of them reached Bhishma Pitamaha. How is Bhishma Pitamaha there? Bhishma Pitamaha is looking like Drishtva Nipatitam Bhumau Divaschitam Ivamaram. As and how a great entity coming from the sky to earth, he is glowing like anything. Bhishma Pitamaha. Such Bhishma Pitamaha, all these people to Bhishma Pitamaha pranemuhu, they did namaskaram to Bhishma. Bhishma is now looking at everyone. By the time Dharmaraju and all these brothers and Krishna Paramatma reached over there comes so many Brahmarshis, Devarshis, Rajarshi, Mahatmas came to see Bhishma. So many great sages, Parvata Muni, Narada Muni, Dhaumya, Vyasa, Bruhadasva, Bharadvaja, Parasurama, Vasishtha, Vishwamitra, Asita, Gautama, Atri, Kausika, Sudarsana, Indrapramada, Trita, Grutsamada, Kasyapa, Angirasa, all these great rishis came to see Bhishma Pitamaha. Brahmarata and all those great rishis, along with the entire of their Sishya Ganam, they all came to see Bhishma Pitamaha. Bhishma has seen all of them and respected them, gave them warm welcome. Bhishma Pitamaha then started looking at Sri Krishna Paramatma and started expressing his devotion towards Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Oh Krishna, Asinam Jagadiswaram, you are the one who is there in each and every entity and supporting every entity. Now you are here in front of me for me to able to see you. You have taken such a beautiful form with your own sankalpam. Krishna, you have taken this form only to let me enjoy your Divya Mangala Vigraham." Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha expressing his eternal happiness to see Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్ఠతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ 37th శ్లోక. తస్మాన్నార్హా వయం హంతుం ధార్తరాష్ట్రాన్ స్వబాంధవాన్ స్వజనం హి కథం హత్వా సుఖినః స్యామ మాధవ. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.